Xiaomi has done it again, pushing the boundaries of innovation with the Xiaomi 15, a compact powerhouse that blends flagship performance, cutting-edge photography, and stunning design into one of the most refined smartphones of 2025. But does it truly stand above the competition and worth the upgrade? Let's dive deep into its features and see if it deserves the crown. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and updates. From the moment you pick it up, the Xiaomi 15 exudes premium craftsmanship. Its aluminum alloy frame, paired with Xiaomi Shield glass, makes it both lighter, weighing 191 grams, and more durable than its predecessors, all while maintaining slim profile at 8mm thin. The IP68 rating ensures it can handle dust, water, and can submerge up to 30 meters, perfect for adventurers. The significant improvement in the design compared to last year's Xiaomi 14 is the matte finish back panel, which looks more premium and not fingerprint magnet. Available in 3 color options like black, green, and white. The 6.36-inch LTPO AMOLED display is a visual masterpiece, reaching an industry-leading 3200 nits peak brightness, making it the brightest smartphone screen yet for this segment. With a 1:120 Hz LTPO adaptive refresh rate, every scroll, swipe, and animation is buttery smooth, while Dolby Vision and HDR10 Plus support deliver cinematic color accuracy and contrast. Whether you're gaming or streaming, this display is pure eye candy. Under the hood, the Xiaomi 15 is an absolute beast. It's powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite, built on a 3nm process, delivering desktop-level performance with 4.3 GHz peak clock speeds and 40% better efficiency than last year's chip. Paired with 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB internal storage, this phone loads apps instantly and handles multitasking like a champ. For gaming, the Adreno 830 GPU crushes even the most demanding titles at max settings, while Xiaomi's Ice Loop Vapor Chamber cooling system keeps thermals in check. No throttling, just sustained peak performance. Moving on to its camera department, Xiaomi has redefined mobile photography with the Xiaomi 15's Leica-tuned triple camera setup. The 50-megapixel Xiaomi's custom image sensor, the Light Fusion 900, features a 1/1.31-inch large sensor with f1.6 aperture, capturing stunning detail even in low light. The Night Mode 3.0 uses AI-powered computational photography to brighten shadows and reduce noise, making night shots look like professional DSLR images. The 50-megapixel telephoto lens offers 2.6 times optical zoom. In these sample photos, it captures crisp and plenty of details even at low light as well. While the 50-megapixel ultra-wide captures 115 degrees field of view with zero distortion. For video, the Xiaomi 15 can record up to 8K at 30 frames per second. Videographers will love the 4K 60 FPS recording with optical image stabilization, turning every clip into cinematic gold. Despite its compact size, the Xiaomi 15 packs a 5240 mAh battery, 20% larger than the Xiaomi 14, and easily lasts a full day or more thanks to HyperOS optimizations. But where it truly shines is charging. With massive 90-watt hypercharge, it refuels the battery from 0 to 100% in just 45 minutes, and 50-watt wireless charging means you're never waiting long. Now here is final verdict. So, is the Xiaomi 15 the best compact phone of 2025? Absolutely. It outperforms rivals in display quality, battery life, charging speed, and camera versatility, all while fitting comfortably in one hand. The Snapdragon 8 Elite makes it a performance king, and the Leica-tuned cameras elevate mobile photography to new heights. If you want maximum power in a pocket-friendly size, the Xiaomi 15 is unmatched. It's not just an upgrade, it's a statement. Without a doubt, the Xiaomi 15 is an easy recommendation. It's the total package. Alright, that's it for today's review of the Xiaomi 15 5G. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out!